To get started with Book Creator, go to bookcreator.com and sign in with your Jeffco Google account. If you've used Book Creator before, you're usually going to end up in the last library or project where you were working, but if this is not the right class or project, click the 3 lines in the top left corner to navigate to the correct project, or you will find the Join a Library option here. Enter the code your teacher gave you for the project for their class. If you are working with a group, designate one person right now to click the plus button to create the book. In a moment, this person will share the book with the other members. I recommend the 4x3 layout for most books. It's most compatible with all of the media elements. The comic options are obviously best suited for comic books. And if you click the Templates tab, you will see some pre-made book types and some themes. You will be able to add any of these theme pages later too. So if you're undecided, just stick with a blank book right now. If you want some inspiration, maybe start with a theme. I'm sort of on the fence, so I'm going to choose Blanca, a blankish sort of theme. Before we get into the editing features, let's share your book with any co-editors you might have so they can explore at the same time. Click the Library button to return to your classroom shelf. Click the 3 dots in the corner of your book's thumbnail and choose Share. Then Collaborate. Be careful here because by default, everyone in the class will be able to edit your book unless you choose Change and put a check mark next to the names of your group members. If you don't see someone listed, they probably haven't used the code to join the library yet. Click the back arrow after you've selected your co-editors and then click the Start Collaboration button. Now for a quick tour of Book Creator's features to inspire your creativity. Click on your book's thumbnail to open the editor. First, let's click on the Pages tab here to view, rearrange, or add new pages. When I use the dots to insert a new page here, I see all of the pages designated for the theme I selected. Another way to add a page is to go back to the editing view of your book and click the plus. Visit the Media tab, and from here you can choose Templates, and then Themes, and you will see all of the different themes and layout options. The template gallery in Media has a lot of useful elements. Not all of them are going to fit for all projects, but you may want to take some time to explore these other sections. When you are working with a standard layout or theme, some of the elements might be locked as denoted by this icon. Right-click on the element to unlock it, and then you can move, resize it, or delete it. I want a nice background for my scene, so I will click the plus again and choose Images. Book Creator comes with several copyright-friendly stock images, which can be great for a background. But I have not found many that have a transparent background. And this looks terrible. So I recommend using Google Images for the characters or other elements that you want to layer on top of your background scene. If you're in Google Images, you can use the Tools button and then select Color to filter for transparent images. You will be able to drag and drop these into your Book Creator tab, right into your book. However, if the transparent options are just too limiting, you can easily remove just about any background with remove.bg. From Google Images, right-click on an image and choose Copy Image Address. Then head over to remove.bg and choose the option to paste in a URL. Click the download button and note where you are saving your image. so that when you go over to Book Creator, you can easily upload it from your computer. There are a wide variety of different elements that you can add to your pages with this plus, including voice narration, videos. The Media tab offers templates, shapes, and icons. And if you need even more, the Apps tab integrates with Google Maps, Drive. Just don't overdo the animated emojis or GIFs. When it comes to animated elements, less is more. My page template came with a text box, which I can click on to edit. Or just use the plus button to create additional text boxes. Finally, if you need to change a page's background, use the Eye or Inspect tab and visit the page area. There are many solids, patterns, and textures available. And if you don't like the change, just use the Undo button. Book Creator is saving as you go, so you can exit and come back later to continue working. Your book lives in your teacher's library, so you will not need to do anything special to submit it. Your teacher will be able to read or play your book right from here.